This is why I go camping during the week, because I love when I come out and it's just fucking silent. Like, just nobody. Everybody either in their tents or they're hiking, but it's only like 7 people here right now. It's a weird place to put a tent. I hope they got 2 tents. They have 3 tents. Good morning, world. So, got some garlic bread and cooking my bacon, and I'm making some coffee. Yeti. Product placement. If you need to keep any drink cold or warm for longer than naturally possible, get a Yeti. Yo, I straight ran out of propane like mid-cook, bro. Damn. So now I gotta make a fire and cook. That was crazy. Alright, well, here we go with the fire. Right, got a little sizzle now. Okay, that's what I'm waiting for. Bacon, pecan, Kevin Pecan. Wow, that just looks like a random ass light. The bathroom's over there. And just in my tent. Yeah. So now it's time to break everything down. It's quite easy, actually. So the cot was in there. If you want to see what it looks like in here. So I had the cot, and then I just had my little thing, so yeah, it wasn't really that complicated. And then I put my canopy up just in case it rains, and it doesn't rain directly on the tent. So that's the little setup, and then the cot's in there. So that was nice and helped. So alright, bye. Hello everybody, so Christian here, little ass kids, I'm leaving nigga. So I'm in this little like private viewing thing of the Hopewell Furnace. I don't know, 15-minute movie, I could do that, I'm fine with that, this is kinda cool.
Was in full blast, and that meant work and wages. When the Hopewell Furnace began operations in 1771, British colonies in North America were producing 15% of the world's iron.
Alright, we're going to the furnace down there. Oh wow, they weren't kidding. This is like the actual little road. This was the road. That's kind of cool to like see the past and then be able to actually see it how it is now. Alright, I'll see you when I get down there. Bro, you can't even see. These were the wagons. And then we'll pour it down there, I guess. Oh. So I guess this is like the little store. Thanks for not touching stoves. That's funny. Oh wow, look at that like little camping stove. And then they got like the big John. This is like the, oh you about to, man, that heavy ass looking stove. I can't believe. Oh wow, and then he had the little John. This is like the little general store. Please do not go behind counter. Probably shouldn't be sitting in this rocking chair. Bet you can't guess what's in here. Yo, this is really cool. Oh my god, and there's sheeps there. Shit. I don't remember the last time I've ever seen a sheep. Or sheep in general. Fuck. I saw the bat the other day. Wow. There's still sheep. And this was like the water part. Wow, bro. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Big iron. Wow. Bro, I've never seen one of these in real life. I've never actually seen a water-propelled kind of like wheel like this in real life. Look at that. They're just like dancing. The droplets of water. Wow. Oh, and then that's the John. And then that's where the air would come. And then it would come over here. Wow, and here's some of the iron. I don't know what that was. Art of flask casting. That big ass spider. Oh wow, and then here's where all the casts were. That shit was probably heavy as hell. What? They had those even back in the day. It is about to rain. Rain, rain. It's gonna rain. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's about to rain, 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 rain. It's about to rain. Yeah, yeah. I can't believe there's actually sheep. Like, bro, I've never can't remember last time. I can't remember if I've ever seen a sheep before. Alright. Now, I know that I don't need to bring color into things. But why is it that the black sheep is over here eating all by itself and all the white sheep are over here eating with each other? Why? Maybe I'm just crazy. Bro, I'm like really close. Look at this. The black sheep is over there just eating by itself, minding its fucking business. And all these white sheep. They're not really even white. And that's not really even black. That's the point. In a sense. That shit is like light, dirty brown. And these Johns are like tannish. Nigga, that shit is right there. This is the blacksmith shop. I don't know if you can hear that, but I can hear it. There's something in the wall. A little chariot. Fucking sleigh. The Hopewell Furnace. Damn. Damn, that's kind of big. That's like a little... It's like a little bus. Guess this is like the house. That's where the oven was. I mean, this is a big ass house, kind of. You got your kitchen over there. This would be like the family room, have a little table. And I guess you walk over here and get your water and shit and shower. I don't know what the fuck this room is for. And this is just like something else. This is like a bedroom or something. I wouldn't mind living in here. I mean, you gotta fix this motherfucker up. Living in here now might be kind of crazy. But I'm sure, like, if you was homeless, that'd be a good shelter. Yo, that shit is lopsided as fuck. Oh my goodness. It's so lopsided. That shit is about to fall apart. Look at that. That's why they got that shit there. Damn. Eventually, these buildings are going to get retaken by nature.
What do? Well, we bake, scrub, and dust endlessly. Imagine all the furnace smoke and charcoal dust. And wash dishes. Oh, we cook for the family boarders in 2 kitchens and dining rooms, but not regular hours like a decent farm. Mr. Brooks still wants every stove possible, so in winter some molders board here, and varying numbers of teamsters. Of course, lifting heavy iron and sand takes plenty of food. Oh, and do they eat bread. But I wish they'd all take the $5 a month and eat somewhere else. Mrs. Brooks tells about boarding 10 years ago, when all 11 molders ate 3 meal days. Whew, the dishes to wash. Mrs. Brooks might as well run a hotel, a meal or night. Only a yearly allowance. These visiting buyers eat their meals with the Brooks family and have a clean bed any time they show up. Some don't even right ahead. These others? Well, a worker starts fires in them right on the brick hearth. When we girls think the oven is hot enough, we rake the coals down that hole into the ash pit. Then we test the heat with our arm in the oven and count. If we have to pull our arm out before getting to the right number, different ones for bread, pies, and cookies, well, then it's too hot. But it's worse if it's too cool. Dessert is late that night because we have to refire. The Brooks like hot bread, rolls, and baked dessert. Eat plenty of mine. Everything goes in and out on this long-handled paddle, a peel. Oops, excuse me. Have to get this bread out now.
I wonder if this will actually lead you to Reading. And if that walking down this trail will actually lead you to Valley Forge. It looks like it's about to fucking rain. Let me just walk a little bit. I'm insane. I didn't walk this whole time while I was here. I'll just go back to my dad's place. Chill out. I don't really want to be there. But it's just like a home base. I love when nature just takes shit back. Like, bro, that used to be something. Somebody used to do stuff in there. In some point in time in history, that was a full building, and somebody did stuff in there. And now, nature is just taking it back. Say, oh, you thought this is your area? No. You know we control this. Let you neglect your shit for a couple of years, it'll be gone. Nature will just recapture it. It's the beauty of nature. That's the beauty of creation. Sometimes you just gotta appreciate the sun and the beauty of it. I'm tired of shit.
Black sands in time.